some of that kind of learning over there, that we need to work on that topic for about 50 hours in the course of a year before we see any real significant change in our teaching practice, the kind of instructional strategy. So intensive means you don't go someplace for 2 hours and expect it to change your practice. It's going to take intensive, sustained work over about 50 hours. You guys were all over this part. You were talking a lot about, particularly when you got down to this network, where you were reflecting, where you were supporting each other, where you were collaborating with one another. There is a growing body of research, for example, from Hammond and Linda Darling Hammond and Fullen and others, that says that if teachers in a school collaborate together in a structured way, that you begin to see academic achievement go up for all students. And Fullen is much more positive about the reverse. What he would say is, if you don't give teachers structured opportunities to work together, you won't see systemic change. You will not see systemic change. You won't see increased academic achievement. Coaching sounds a lot like all of this. It happens during the workday. It's focused entirely on classroom activities. I never had a teacher come up to a coach and say, "Hi, I'd like to work on something that's absolutely irrelevant to what's happening in my classroom." It is intensive, long-term, and ongoing, and by definition, it's highly collaborative. By the way, I know John Furlong, who's the division chair for education at Oxford. And I asked him the question that I asked you: what was the most effective professional development you ever participated in? He said, when I became the division chair here at Oxford, they gave me a coach. It was the most effective thing that ever happened.